Alright, so this is my LMS. I'm just going to show you around it a bit. So this is our course here. I just have this set up as my welcome page. Picture of me, the school, and then just a little introduction to me. And then I guess we can go to student view for this, so that it's a little bit neater. Then if we come to the modules, I have both the tech tools and the tech basics. And then these are just both of the videos I made for this assignment as well, and the links to them that will take you to an outside link.
Okay, so the tech tool,
yeah, just takes you to the videos, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So that is my LMS.